In this video, we will understand how to check the service workflow of a service, because we can have different service workflow in stores. For an example, if I click on dry cleaning and then I click on view edit service workflow, here if I select a store, let's say store 1, we can have a different workflow. The current states configure is unprocessed and it do not have tax applicable on the service on store 1. If I select store 2, I may have another setup. If I select store 3, I may have another setup. But this way, we can check the stages or the workflow of a service into different stores. Now, if required, we can make it uniform across all the stores, or based on the configuration we need, we can have different setup. Thank you.